Good day. Welcome to RmaBabaYoruba. Important things that we need to know about Yoruba language tone mark. 1. We don't tone mark consonant sound in Yoruba language except nasal consonant, as we can see on the screen. Likewise, we tone mark vowel sound, both the oral vowel sounds and the nasal vowels. The following are the oral vowel sounds, as we can see, and the following as well are the nasal vowel sounds, as we can see on the screen. Also, all the words in Yoruba language must be tone marked for easy reading and writing. We only indicate mi, which is the high tone, as well as do, which is the low tone. But if it happens to be re, not need of we indicating that on any word that we are writing. We have many Yoruba words that have same spelling, different meaning, different pronunciation. Likewise, we have some that we pronounce same way, but it is the tone mark that differentiates it. These are part of the important things about Yoruba tone mark.
RmaBabaYoruba TV.